Hi there, handbaggers, and welcome to the Duck's Nest. This is the Military Mom, and in this video, I'm going to share a pseudo unboxing with you all. And the reason I say pseudo is because I have already opened the box. And the first thing that I want to share with you all is the fact that the seller did a horrible job of packaging my bag. Let me just show you. Hold on. It's an item that came from the Bay. So this is the box that it came in, which was fine because my item was not crowded, it was not mangled. I'm showing you this single piece of paper because that box and this piece of paper were the only thing between the elements. Yes, handbaggers, the seller wrapped the bag in a single piece of paper and put it in that box. There was no protection whatsoever. There was no bubble wrap. It wasn't wrapped in plastic. It wasn't even put in its dust bag. She wrapped it, I'm assuming the seller's a woman. She wrapped it in a single sheet of paper, she dropped it in that eBay box, and she shipped it. And then, she had the nerve to put this sticker on the paper. I just thought that was hilarious. I was like, really? You wrapped my leather bag in one sheet of paper and dropped it in a box, and you want me to give you a 5-star, 100% positive review? Sorry. I try to accommodate people, but not gonna happen. All right, so let's move on to the bag, shall we? This is a Coach 1941 duffel bag in the color black and smooth leather. This is the back of the bag. This is the front of the bag. And I'm going to share with you all a couple of reasons why I stalked this bag on eBay. I've been doing a lot of that lately. I've been stalking a lot of 1941 items. You would think I'm getting paid to do this, but as much time as I spend on it. But I am just crazy about these items, and so the ones that aren't in the store or online anymore seem to be the ones that are most attractive to me, and this is one. This is the color black, and the interior of this bag, which was in very good condition, I must say, is oxblood. It's lined in oxblood. So let me just take you through the details that attracted me to this bag. First and foremost, it was this link detail there. I thought that was very unique. I don't have anything like that in my collection. The second thing that attracted me to this bag was the organization. So let's start on the back. You have a, is that open? No. There is a zippered pocket. And then on the back of the zippered pocket, there's a slip pocket. When you open the bag, there's the main compartment, which has a zip on one wall, and then a snap on the other. And the snap is really a nice size, as is the zip. The zip does not go all the way to the base of the bag, but it's still a nice size. So the zip is lined in that heavy cotton twill, as is the snap, main compartment, snap pocket, zip pocket, and then there is another compartment that does go all the way to the base of the bag on the front. So there is a total of, I think, 5 pockets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you've got this really large pocket in the front. So I was really impressed with the organization. I would have loved this if this bag had been in pebble leather, because I personally prefer pebble leather. It has a softer hand, but I'm telling you all, this for smooth leather is very, very luxurious, as is most of the leather in most of the pieces in the 41 collection. I mean, the leather in this bag is just, I've never felt smooth leather this soft. So I was very, very happy. I was afraid that I would not like the smooth leather. One reason that I'm not partial to smooth leather is because it scratches, and you can probably see there some scratches. There's some scratches on the bottom. But because smooth leather scratches, I can't really get upset about that, because this bag was not brand new and it's inevitable that it's going to scratch. So I wasn't really worried about it, but I wanted to draw your attention to a couple of details. First of all, look at that gorgeous stitching against that black. And then here, where that really deep pocket is attached, and then here, and then the brushed gold hardware. It's really, really nice. Thick and hearty like beef stew. And then you have this pocket lined in like the saddle colored leather. And the details, I can't even show you all the details. There are just so many. The interior zipper, I don't know if you all can see that. Let me see if I zip it, if it'll help. That has Coach 1941 engraved. The turn lock has Coach engraved on one side and 1941 engraved on the other side. The opening for the turn lock on the interior pocket has Coach 1941 engraved. The dog leash for the strap has Coach engraved right side up and upside down. I don't know if you all can see that. There are just so many gorgeous little details on this bag. I am really, really happy with it. I have no regrets about ordering this bag, and I would have preferred pebble leather, but the smooth leather is just going to work, because I stalked this bag. I could not find it in pebble leather. I don't even know if they make it in pebble leather or made it in pebble leather, but the smooth leather is good, because you don't really want your collection to be monotonous. You know what I mean? Like everything in the 1941 collection, pebble leather, nah, let's switch it up. Let's add some smooth leather pieces. Let's add some pieces with some link detailing. And again, I am so happy with this bag. Yeah, so that's about all I can say, handbaggers. I could keep saying that I'm happy and happy and happy, but I think you get the picture. So there's one more twirl. And I am going to thank you all for dropping by the Duck's Nest for indulging my increasing love of the Coach 1941 collection that is probably going to bankrupt me and send me to the poorhouse. So I am asking you that when I go to the poorhouse, if you could send candy and pictures of your bags, I would appreciate it. That would help make my stay in the poorhouse a little nicer. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Thank you all for dropping by. And as always, happy caring.